everybody, Lorraine here. So I have been watching Priscilla Batzell at Expression Art Studio. And I just love the way she plays with all kinds of crazy colors, throws them together, and it just comes out something just so abstract and beautiful. So I'm going to try and emulate her a little bit by just playing with my paint. I've got several colors here that are leftovers. I'm going to do some little puddles, maybe some lines. I think I'll put some in a cup first here and pour it out and see what happens. This is the phthalo green that I have. And I'm going to go with a light green. Don't have a very big canvas, it's just an 8x10, so I'm just going to use a little bit of paint. And then we'll build on it from there. Some yellow. I've already put white down on the surface of my canvas. So there's some turquoise. Change a little bit with it next to that yellow. It's a phthalo blue. Put a little purple in there. Let's see. I use my favorite color here, which is this magenta. Put a little white on there. Just going to pour this out and play with my paint. Oh, that looks so pretty. Let's move it around a little bit. I'm going to come in here with my skewer. Use the back end of it. I'm going to do some swirlies in here. Oh, that looks neat. Looks like it made swirlies on its own over here. Didn't get very much of that blue in there. I kind of want something up on this side. A little bit of blue. So I like the way it's popping out right there. It looks really neat. I wonder if some of it will come to the surface if I torch it a little bit. Nope. So I'm just going to take some and I'm going to put it in here. See how this is dripping first. Oh, it's sinking. It looks really cool. I like it. A little bit more in here. Right up next to this fuchsia. I like the way the fuchsia and the purple mixed. For some reason I just really like those real fine little hairs that trail off when you do that. Something so relaxing about doing that. Not sure I like these parts right here where it's flowing over the edge. Drag some of that green into the purple there. That looks nice. I really like this spot right here where the green and the purple and the magenta is all swirled together. I'd like to try and do that again, but I don't know if I can. little bit. I'm going to swirl it around. Oh yeah, that looks really cool. I can't stop playing with it now. But I think that's it. I think I'm going to leave it alone. I really like it. Got some really cool little cells coming through here. Some wispies. Wispies down here. I think I like it. Let me know what you think. Oh, I gotta touch it again. I'm looking at it right here going, oh, that needs something right there. Happy, happy, happy. Let me wipe my hand off here, see if I can zoom you guys in a little bit. Here's my green and purple swirly. Pretty happy with the way this came out. Very interesting. Really like that spot right there. If you like watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button, like and share, and I hope you all have fun playing with paint like I do and make beautiful art that makes you happy.